Are you a dentist in your home country looking to become a dentist in the US? If so, this is the checklist you need wrapped up in one video. This video is for foreign-trained dentists planning to apply to international dental programs in the US. Hi everyone, I'm Sandy Priyawat and welcome to my YouTube channel where I share tips and experiences about the journey of becoming a dentist in the US. I graduated dental school in Thailand and then went through dental school again here in the US, and now I'm finally working as a dentist here in the US. The process can feel overwhelming, so I'll make it simple. Let's get into it. First up, create all the accounts for the essentials, such as DENTPIN for INBDE exam registration, ECE or WES for a course-by-course credential evaluation, CAAPID for submitting your dental school application, and ETS for booking the TOEFL. Second thing is to prepare all the documents for your application. This includes your degree, diploma, and transcript. If your school can issue English versions, request for those early and keep those scans for submission. But if they're not in English, make sure to get English translations first. Personal statement. Write a strong one-page personal statement, aim for around 600 to 750 words. A quick tip is to keep it personal and authentic. Try to tug onto their heartstrings when possible. Do not repeat your CV, proofread, and then ask a mentor to review it. A resume or CV highlighting clinical experience, volunteering, awards, research, and any CEs you've done. 2 to 3 letters of recommendation, and at least 1 letter must be from a dentist who is a full-time faculty at a dental school. Personally, I've got all 3 of my letters from full-time faculties, and 1 of them was from my dean.
A few moments later.
Sorry, I gotta change up my angle a little bit here. Daylight saving just ended and it got dark so fast. Next, let's talk passports and visas. Make sure the name in your passport matches every document and every account you created. If you plan to take the INBDE in the US, you will need to apply for a B1 or B2 visitor visa. Some schools require a 2x2-inch passport photo, usually taken within the last 6 months. So keep a digital copy ready for uploads. Next, let's choose the right schools. Start by visiting the INBDE CAAPID programs page. Use that page to find dental schools that offer international dentist programs and see each school's requirements in one page. The link is in the description below. You'll see the program size, program length, application deadline, whether a supplemental application or fee is required, and other key information. Here you will also compare each school's requirements and what suits you best, such as minimum TOEFL score requirements or whether there's a bench test or not. So my phone completely died, but now we're back again. One extra tip is to create a spreadsheet and put everything in there. List down all the schools you like, then add application deadline, application fees, whether they accept ECE or WES, TOEFL score minimum, is there a bench test, tuition, class size, or is there any supplemental steps or fees. And prepare all your documents and keep them in a folder, either in your computer or on Google Drive. If you're a perfectionist, you might feel like your personal statement isn't good enough or your TOEFL score isn't as high as you want it to be, but I would like to encourage you to just apply anyway. Submit the best version that you have right now because not everyone gets in on their first try. Just put yourself out there, and if you don't get accepted this year, you can keep improving by retaking the TOEFL or polishing your personal statement or even gaining some more experiences to upgrade your resume, and then you can reapply next year. Once you submit your application, check your email every day and check your spam folder too, because some emails do end up there. So a school sent me a supplemental application request and it just went straight to my spam and I didn't even see it at all. I only submitted on CAAPID, so I just missed the whole application deadline. As soon as you receive a supplemental application request, start working on it. There may be some short essays or some extra questions, so give yourself some time to think and revise. And the application deadline you see on the website is often for both CAAPID and supplemental. So if you apply on CAAPID at the very last minute, you risk missing the supplemental portion of your application. The biggest mistakes you can make are waiting for your application to be perfect or missing the deadline. Once you've got all your documents together, just apply. If you don't get in this year, learn from it and keep improving. And if you're reapplying, Watch out for expired INBDE or TOEFL scores. Make sure that they're still valid before you hit submit. That's it for today. If this checklist helped, please like and subscribe. I know I've been MIA for a while, but I'm back now. Next up, we'll talk about interview prep, what to expect, and how to get ready once you receive that interview invitation. I'm aiming to post it by the end of next month, so stay tuned. And remember, don't wait for things to be perfect. Just apply and then keep improving. See you in the next video. Bye!